Welcome to Module 2, Implementing ChatGPT. In this module you will learn 1. Basic programming concepts for implementing ChatGPT. 2. Using ChatGPT with OpenAI's API. 3. Customizing ChatGPT responses. Lesson 1, Basic programming concepts for implementing ChatGPT. When venturing into the implementation of ChatGPT, it's crucial to grasp certain basic programming concepts. Some of the keys to unlock the world of ChatGPT include understanding APIs, Python, HTTP requests, and JSON. To begin with, an API, or Application Programming Interface, acts as a conduit, allowing programs to communicate with each other. When using ChatGPT, you interact with OpenAI's API, which bridges the communication between you and the model. Next, we have Python, a high-level programming language celebrated for its readability and simplicity. It's the primary tool you'll use to interact with OpenAI's API. OpenAI's Python library equips you with an array of easy-to-use functionalities to interact with the ChatGPT model, simplifying the process of data communication. Moving on, HTTP requests form the backbone of data communication on the web. When engaging with OpenAI's API, you'll often employ POST requests. This kind of request allows you to send your input to the server, in this case, the ChatGPT model, which processes the data and returns a response. Lastly, we delve into JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation. It's a standard for structuring data sent between a server and a client. Known for its human-readable format and ease of understanding, JSON is frequently deployed when sending data to a web page, and it's crucial for structuring responses you receive from the ChatGPT model. Lesson 2, Using ChatGPT with OpenAI's API. The OpenAI API serves as a bridge, enabling you to interact with ChatGPT. Python, as our language of choice, simplifies this interaction. To commence, you'll need your API key for accessing the OpenAI API. The method OpenAI.completion.create in our Python script sends a request to ChatGPT to generate text. Within this request, two key parameters play a vital role: prompt and max_tokens. Prompt is where you provide your input to the model, and max_token sets the maximum length for the model's response. The engine parameter specifies the type of language model to use. These parameters effectively control what you get as an output from the model. After the model generates the text, the response is captured in the response variable. To make it readable, we use response.choices0 text.strip, which parses and prints the response. So, when you run this code, the model's response is conveniently printed to the console. Lesson 3, Customizing ChatGPT responses. The OpenAI API serves as the bridge to converse with ChatGPT. To start, import the Python library provided by OpenAI. Then, set your unique OpenAI API key. Following that, we create an object response by calling the method OpenAI.completion.create, which initiates a request to generate text. In our request, we specify certain parameters. Engine indicates the model being used, in this case, text DaVinci 002. The prompt parameter offers the model your specific input. The max_tokens parameter constrains the length of the model's output. These parameters collectively influence the output from the model. Once the model produces the output, it's captured in the response object. By applying response.choices0 text.strip, we extract and print the model's response, making it easily readable. Thus, when you run this code, the console neatly displays the model's response. In this module you learned 1. Basic programming concepts for implementing ChatGPT. 2. Using ChatGPT with OpenAI's API. 3. Customizing ChatGPT responses.